was a real surprise in the women's discus. Perkovic, who'd been unbeaten all year, suffered a defeat. Not to this woman, though. This is the Caballero from Cuba, who threw 70 meters and 65 recently to take the world lead ahead of Perkovic, but she was in third place. Perkovic had a really disappointing competition, the worst of the year so far for her. 67 meters and 6 coming in the third round. She had 3 no throws after that, and really struggling with the conditions. The wind was in their face, was favorable, but Perkovic really not on top form, and it was left to the other Cuban, Perez. Perhaps a surprise that she came through with a victory, but on Monday she threw a new personal best and then twice improved that. First of all in the third round, went out to 67.06, and then improved that again in the fifth to 67 meters and 13. A big personal best for Perez, which means that she took the victory, and Perkovic suffering just her first defeat of 2015. A really good competition, and the Cubans showing, or maybe reminding Perkovic that she won't have it all her own way come the World Championships. So Perez with that new personal best. Perkovic, as I said, her worst performance of the year, 67 meters and 6 centimeters, and she still leads the diamond race though with 18 points.